Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. I hope the week's gone well. It's very, very hot in Nairobi and we're in the middle of a drought. There's no rain. And it's going to have a huge impact on the economy, I'm afraid. Those halcyon days I once described. We're seeing quite a significant movement. Euro dollar 112.39, dollar index 97.39, Japanese yen 111.96, Swiss franc 101.31, the pound 130.03, the Australian dollar 0.7154, the Indian rupee 69.5275, South Korean won 1138.05, the Rial 393.85, Egyptian pound 17.2010, and the Rand 14.0910. Dollar index, this is a move higher. We've still got to go a little bit higher and break through resistance. We've rejected resistance about 13 times. But this feels as if it's got some real momentum behind it. Euro dollar, the bulls are now trapped above 113, and we're at 112.40. Fantastic article in Bloomberg about the unicorns. Justification is the doctrine of blitz scaling in order to conquer winner-takes-all markets. Alan Lee, the founder of Cowboy Ventures, an investment fund, gave the word unicorn its current connotation in 2013. Back then it made sense. In 2013, Ms. Lee found just 38 unicorns in America. Today there are 156, and slightly more than that elsewhere. The ideology that sees the rapid creation of companies with very large user bases as the best, possibly the only business strategy available. The Valley believes that software is eating the world and that there is still a lot of the business world for it to eat. As atoms are replaced by bits, or more prosaically, possessions and activities by convenience services ordered through screens, it becomes possible for industry after industry to be disrupted by startups. This does not necessarily mean monopoly. Some sectors, such as ride-hailing, may support a big fish and a littler one. But it does mean that growing as large as possible, as fast as possible, blitz scaling becomes a paramount goal. The design and manufacture of unicorns has become industrialized, and many of the ingredients needed are available on tap as online services. Smartphones let the companies distribute what they offer at home and abroad. Social media let them market it, and cloud computing lets them ramp up as demand grows. Talking about valuations, the goal for Lyft and Uber and for all of the entrepreneurs being urged to blitz scale should be to make their companies more sustainable, not just more explosive. The money follows the explosiveness. This is actually, Virilio has philosophized about this, and I will come back to that maybe in the next podcast. Over the weekend I wrote about this. I called it the platform economy. I said the word platform appeared 700 times in the Uber prospectus. I called Uber seriously ubiquitous, and I recall how it arrived here in Nairobi and made its Gladwellian level move. Gladwell said the tipping point is that magic moment when an idea, trend, or social behavior crosses a threshold and spreads like wildfire. The new high-tech millennial crypto avocado economy exhibits viral, wildfire, and exponential and even non-linear characteristics, not unlike Ebola. Talking about the Uber metric of MAPC, and I, for one, I see that IG Index are talking of a $105 billion market capitalization. I would be a buyer at that level of Uber. And I think especially if Lyft has now suppressed the price a little bit, the promoters might be more agreeable towards being more giving a bigger price concession. My perspective about Uber and about this blitz economy is that investors look through the accumulated losses and focus on the ubiquity of the platform. and that therefore Uber shares will pop meaningfully. I call their move to say they might never make a profit ever, this is Uber, a brilliantly counterintuitive move. Commodity markets: gold 1273.49, crude oil $63.96, coffee, look at this chart, broken down through 90, where's the floor? Iron ore futures down 4.25% yesterday after Vale got court permission to restart production in the next few days.